are truly grateful for you. Happy Mother's Day.
We are 7th grade of南科Junior High School.
Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there.
We have been thinking about how to make this year's celebration stand out.
So we decided to use what we've been learning in our bilingual home economics class to make you a special gift.
In class, we have been working on a secret mission,
learning how to mix the perfect concrete ratio and mold the shapes for
the mini planters.
To the woman who takes care of me and helps me grow.
I want to tell you,
my love is as solid as concrete for you.
Materials you need: 1 A4 size paper,
A cardboard paper,
pencil and rulers,
sixter or box cutter,
tape,
white glue,
cement powder and water.
Steps you need to follow. First, draw a mold shape you want on a piece of paper.
Second, cut out the shape.
Third, cut out the same shape of cardboard paper and glue it to the design paper.
Fourth, to turn the other side and fold it up to the 3D structure.
5. Hold the structure up and seal the lines between the shape with tape.
6. Pour the cement mixture in the mold and put the plastic container quarter filled with water or stones.
7th, after 24 hours, cut out the 3D mold carefully and sand it out with sandpaper.
8. Our mini planter is ready.
We want to take this opportunity to thank both local and foreign teachers for their dedicated teaching.
Happy Mother's Day!
Are truly grateful for you.
Happy Mother's Day!